Godspeed to the Speedy Tribe. How we doing out there, man? We back with another video, but this time it's about stocks, man. And this is something I've been holding back on, but I'm gonna let y'all in on it, man. I do stocks, yes I do. And I'm gonna show you how I made or how I turned $155 into $560 in a few days using this stock right here, Cassava Sciences, as y'all can see. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, so all the technical analysis I'm about to do, teach their own. This is not me telling you to trade anything. I'm just giving you, my little analysis on how I did it, and hopefully you get motivated to want to do your own analysis to make your own money. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to show you guys. Right now, this is me right now, currently in the market. But I'm going to show you right now, on how I exactly, so it's just so you can know I'm not capping. This is real. Where is it? Right here, Cassava. 155, as you can see, June 7th. Then I took out June 11th. It should say June 11th, 560. Bam, there you go. You see it? All right. Now I'm gonna show you right there and how it did that. So I'm gonna give you my analysis on what I did, man, what day I brought in, and how I looked at the market to determine that, just based off history or just based off raw technical analysis and just knowing how the market moves. So I got in right here, this candlestick right here, June 7th. I got in, it went up, came down, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This was that Friday. It's last Friday, actually. So I got in, I let it ride, let it go up. Now, based off history, right, if you go to the monthly, right, this is a strong area. This $80 area, because you got to understand what I did was I bought a call. I bought a call from $65, about $65, and it went all the way up to like 87 bucks. You know what I'm saying? That's what the price. Now the call initially, the contract was $90 call. It went close to 90, got to like 87, but a win is a win, right? So what I did was I went back in history. I looked on the monthly chart, and I went all the way back in history. I said, hey man, if I really want to really, get my eagle eye on, right? I understand that the highest Sava has went was about 184, and it came crashing all the way down to the floor to $12. But every time it crashed down and it went below this $80 area, which is the strong area, I'm about to tell y'all why it's so strong. Because if you look back, 2001, you know what I'm saying, all these years, man, all these years, it's been just consolidating and bouncing up, down. Every time it came up, hit this area, this $80 area, that good old golden area right here. This is what you call a golden area whenever it hits this area. It's a strong sweet spot to bounce off of. This is resistance, this is support. I don't want to draw the other line, but you get the picture. Go up, come down, go up, come down, right? So 2021 comes, 2020 comes. Now it's rallying, it's coming up, it's coming up, it's coming up. And it goes all the way up. It even passes the 80 area. But let me tell you something very key. Just take this into consideration every time you trade. Whenever there's a strong zone like this $80 area, if a candle never forms above it, that means it never broke it. It might have pierced it, as you can see, it looked like a big old sword, like a swordfish, right? It pierced the area, but it never broke above to where it formed another candle to give you more confirmation to buy it, right? I knew this. This was back in February. I knew this. I looked at this. I looked at this exact candle. I said, yo, it was a big piercing. So I'm pretty sure it's going to hit this area again. And it might just bounce off. So what I did was I took my chances. Bought right here. I let it ride. I let it ride. And it came up to this area. Now, this was last Friday, I believe. Yeah, last Friday. Hit this area. And I said, you know what? I got it going to $90. I know that every stock market does, it doesn't go to the price all the time. I got it for 90, maybe it hit 88, maybe it hit 87, which it did. It hit 87. And I sold and I took my profit, which ultimately led to me getting $560. And what did it do as soon as I took profit? Came crashing. It get a nice, strong daily pullback. Now, and here we are. 560 in profit. I took my profit, went home, And yeah, that's how I play the market, man. I understand areas. You gotta understand when it comes to markets, when it comes to the charts, you have to understand that is a strong, it's very, very strong areas if you really look closely. Like I told you, 80, 80, 80, $80 on Cassava Sciences is a very strong area. And it's literally at that level as we speak. Will it do another bounce off? I don't know. But according to investing.com, right, Cassava on the short term is a short term sell. Everybody's selling off. It's Friday. Everybody getting a little bread. You know what I'm saying? They taking out right now. They say selling off. But going into the future is a strong buy. It's a strong buy for the daily and the monthly. I'm just telling y'all what I did for the short term, right? I short term bought, and I got my profit, and I made that money that I just showed y'all in the beginning of the video. And once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving y'all my technical analysis on what I see every time I look at the market. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to show you how I also made $342 today actually using DocuSign. Yep, DocuSign. But that's for another video. I'm going to leave y'all with this. Right now, you can see it's consolidation from all the way from last week into this week to this end. This Friday to this Friday. Right now, this consolidation. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. This is what you call this choppiness right here. You know what I'm saying? It's not ain't nothing breaking above this. It's very convincingly strong. There's nothing breaking above this. You had this to count. You had this to count. You had this strong bullish engulfing to engulf both of these candlesticks, but it never broke through. Now another doji. Now another doji today. What's gonna happen? It might. I don't know. But I'm just giving y'all what I did to make my money, man, and hopefully you get inspired to do the same. If you really want to get with me, man, hit me up on Instagram. The link gonna be down in the description below. You can learn how to tear these charts up together, man. You know what I'm saying? Godspeed, man.